Hi. Okay, kesa ko. Singot man ka, way. Singot ka. Ayan ka, kesa ko. Cookies. Kesa ko. Kape, Tara. Ayun. Naa diri oy, NJ. Naa diri NJ. Naa diri uroy. So this video shows the multi-way selection structure. In addition to two-way selection structure, most programming languages provide another selection concept known as multi-way selection. This chooses among several alternatives, and C has two different ways to implement that: the switch statement and the if-else construct. So now we have here the switch decision logic. We have here the multi-way expression that is placed inside the diamond, in which the result of the multi-way expression can be a constant value. We have value 1, value 2, value 3, and value 4. Now we have the actions. Okay, so these actions will be executed if the value of the multi-way expression is value 1. So there are values, or there are actions that cannot be executed depending on how will we design our program. So for example, the value of the multi-way expression is value 2, so only these actions under value 2 will be executed and the program, or end the fragment. So this is the general syntax for a switch statement. We have here the switch keyword followed by a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis is we have the expression. There is no semicolon after the expression. And to enclose the switch statement body, we have here the opening curly brace and closing curly brace. Inside the braces, we have the case, okay, in which they are the keywords in C and other programming languages. So after the case, we have here the constant 1. Okay, so these are the constant value of the expression. So depending on the value of the expression, okay, the statements will be executed. For example, okay, so also the default statement is needed for the switch statement. That is, under the default statement, these are the statements that will be executed if the value of the expression is not found in any of the selections or in any of the cases. So this program demonstrates the switch statement. Okay, we have here the switch keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the print flag. And we have two cases here, case 1 and case 2, in which case 1 is to print, this is case 1. Okay, in case 2 is to print the string, this is case 2. And the default is to print the statement, this is default. Okay, and all right, so this figure shows the switch results that is shown in the previous slide. And if the value of the print flag is 1, so all of these three statements will be displayed. This is case 1, this is case 2, and this is default. And letter B shows the result if the print flag is 2. So this is case 2 and this is default. And whenever the print flag is not 1 or 2, so it will display this is default. As you can see, when the print flag value is 1, all of the statements from case 1, case 2, and default will be displayed. Okay, so if the print flag is 2, so the statements starting from case 2 until default will be displayed. And if neither of the value of print flag not 1 or 2, so the statement this is default will be executed. Now, so this figure shows the switch statement with break statements. So we have here the print flag as the switch statement, and we have case 1, case 2, and default. All right. So this figure B shows the code of the logic flow that is shown in figure A. So we have here the switch statement, and the switch expression is print flag. All right. So the value of print flag will be passed to the cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay. If the value of case 1 is, the value of print flag is 1, so the statement, this is case 1, will be executed. Okay, this is case 1. So, as you can see, there are no other statements after this is case 1 being displayed. That's because this switch statement includes the break statement. Okay, like right after the case 1, there is a break statement that is to break the statement after displaying the value, after executing the statements under case 1. All right. So this is different from the previous slide, since in this example, break statements are included after each of the cases. Okay, so this figure shows the multi-valued case statement. So this is a program fragment that demonstrates multiple cases for one set of statements. Okay, so we have here the print flag value in which we have cases 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay. So case 1, there are no statements under case 1, and it's followed by case 3. So the statements under case 3, we have here to print good day and odds have it. Then there is a break statement after case 3. And after case 3, we have case 2 followed by case 4. There is no statement under case 2. And follow directly case 4 in which there is a statement to display good day, events have it, and break. After the break statement, there is a default statement to print good day, I'm confused by, then the break. So in this case, if the value of print flag is 1, so or 1 or 3, if the value of print flag is 1 or 3, the text good day and odds have it will be displayed. And if ever the print flag value is either 2 or 4, the text good day events have it will be displayed. And if ever the print flag value is 5 or 6 or 7 or any numbers other than 1, 3, 2, and 4, the text to be displayed is good day, I'm confused by. So this program shows the fragment that demonstrates the multiple cases for one set statements because there are many cases to be executed for one set of statements. Like there are 2 cases when print flag is either 1 or 3. So 2 cases will be executed. All right. So we have here the switch statement rules. Rule number 1, the control expression that follows the keyword switch must be an integral type. So integral type. Then case number 2, okay, integral type, that includes also the character data type. All right. So each case label is the keyword case followed by a constant expression. So the keyword case followed by the constant expression. No 2 case labels can have the same constant value expression. So the value of each of the cases must be unique. But 2 case labels can be associated with same set of actions. Yeah, many cases can have the same set of actions. Number 5 rule, the default label is not required. If the value of the expression does not match with any labeled constant expression, the control transfers outside of the switch statement. However, we recommend that all switch statements have a default label. Okay, so default label will be used to display if there are or to will be used if the value of the switch expression is not found in any of the cases. Number 6 rule, the switch statement can include at most one default label. The default label may be coded anywhere, but it is traditionally coded last. Okay, as shown and this one. Okay, the default label is coded at the last. All right. So then the next video will show on um, how to create a program applying the switch statement. Thank you.